there is one hair concern that has bothered every woman at some point or the other point in her life, it has to be hair fall. No one likes to see chunks of hair on the floor, on the pillow and in the drain after every hair wash. As heartbreaking as this situation can be, you don't have to lose hope just yet, because I'm here to help. Hi guys, I'm Sanya and today I'm going to show you my honest hair fall journey and how I fixed it. Before I get into the video, make sure to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Now, hair fall can be caused due to many reasons such as hormonal changes, genetics, stress, and unhealthy diet, etc. Hair fall for me has been my problem ever since I started having my hair chemically treated way back in 2019. Every time I shampoo my hair, I cannot help but cringe on how badly my hair is weakening. I was denying the fact that I'm slowly going bald until my friend noticed how my hair strands were so thin, plus my scalp is starting to peek through. From there on, I knew I had to take some action. After reading articles and searching for reviews, trying different products, I finally set a hair care routine for myself that's helped me combat hair fall. So stay tuned as I take you through my routine and products that have helped me. So the first step in my hair care routine is an oil massage. This has been a big step in my hair growth journey. I used to be very hesitant to do hair oiling. I hated the messy and sticky step. But honestly, it's a great way to stop hair fall and stimulate hair growth. So to regain my hair growth, I started looking out for oils that had the right ingredients which will strengthen hair follicles and weak tissues. One such oil that treats a host of hair-related issues is this one. It's the Indulekha Bringa hair oil. And you know the best part about this oil is that it comes with a selfie comb that is used to apply the oil to the scalp. So you don't have to use your fingers to vigorously rub the oil in the hard-to-reach areas. It has a powerful Ayurvedic concoction of different ingredients and essential oils. One of the most powerful ingredients that go into making this oil is Bringaraj, which is known to be an effective hair loss treatment that prevents hair loss and stimulates new hair growth. Amla, which has vitamins and minerals along with phytonutrients, increases blood circulation, along with coconut oil that strengthens the hair roots. To apply the oils, place the comb of the bottle of the oil in such a way that it touches your scalp. Squeeze the bottle to get the oil out and onto the scalp. Keep repeating this step until you have completed oiling all the sections and your entire scalp is covered with oil. Finally, gently but thoroughly massage the oil onto your scalp. Do not rub the scalp because that can lead to hair breakage. I then like to wear a shower cap which will help the oil penetrate deep into the layers of my scalp. After I've kept the hair oil for an hour, I follow up by shampooing my hair. Now, picking the right shampoo for my hair was the biggest task, as it was important to use a shampoo that is specifically meant to reduce hair fall. And after trying out numerous anti-hair fall products, I finally betted on this one. It's the Love Beauty and Planet Onion Black Seed and Patchouli Hair Fall Control Sulfate-Free Shampoo. When washing the hair, wash the scalp only and avoid applying the shampoo on the lengths of your hair. Because when you rinse the shampoo, the lengths will get cleansed as it is and you will avoid overwashing. Also remember that the temperature of the water should be lukewarm, because using hot water can make the hair brittle and porous, leading to increased breakage and even hair loss. Once done rinsing, squeeze out the excess water with a soft towel. Now this shampoo is infused with the goodness of natural onion bulb oil, which will not only reduce hair fall but also promote new hair growth while nourishing and strengthening the hair follicles. It also has black seed oil, which is a potent antioxidant that helps seal in the moisture in individual hair shafts because it is rich in fatty amino acids. And lastly, it contains 100% natural coconut oil, which helps bind the protein in the hair, protects the roots and strands and prevents them from breakage. What I also love about this product is that it has no harsh chemicals like sulfates, parabens, dyes or artificial fragrance in its formula that can really harm your hair. After shampooing, it's time to condition the hair. Conditioner is a must and should not be skipped at any cost. Because what happened to my hair is that the constant coloring and heat styling caused my hair strands to get thinner in the bottom, which led to breakage, split ends and shorter length. So using a conditioner helped replace the lipids and proteins inside the hair shaft as well as seal the outer cuticle. So use the conditioner from the same range as the shampoo. It's the Love Beauty and Planet Onion, Black Seed and Patchouli Hair Fall Control Sulfate-Free Conditioner. Decide the quantity as per the hair length and then coat each strand evenly with the conditioner. Keep the conditioner on your hair for 10 minutes and always rinse off with cold water. Cold water lays down the outer layers of your hair more smoothly, which helps prevent the moisture loss. Did you know the way you treat your hair post-wash is also important? The hair is extremely fragile and susceptible to damage when it's wet. So always gently pat dry the hair with not a cotton towel but a microfiber towel. Microfiber towel dries the hair faster and prevents friction, which can lead to hair frizziness and breakage. Also, right after your hair wash is a good time to apply serum. So when the hair is semi-dry, take 1 to 2 drops of Tresemme Pro Pure Moisture Boost Serum and evenly distribute it onto the midsections and ends of your hair. Then using a wide tooth comb, I comb through my hair. Doing so, I realized that my hair has less knots, plus my hair breakage has reduced. All thanks to the aloe vera, as it increases the elasticity of my hair and prevents breakage due to the presence of keratin composition. Okay, so my hair care routine doesn't end here. I also indulge in a pamper session for my hair over the weekend or sometimes midweek. This helps undo the damage and helps my hair remain in a healthy condition in the long run. So here's presenting my hair savior, the Dove Healthy Ritual for Strengthening Hair Mask. On damp hair, apply the mask, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair only. Gently massage the product into your hair in a downward motion. This will help the product penetrate and seal the cuticle for more smoothness and shine. This hair mask is infused with oat milk that will keep the hair moisturized, that too without weighing your hair down. Apart from that, it will even prevent any future damage and even frizz. Thanks to the honey extracts, which instantly smooths hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Apart from this, I swapped my cotton pillow for a silk one. Cotton fabric can have an adverse effect on the texture of your hair, thanks to the friction. Whereas silk is a lot gentler on the hair shaft and in the long run can help control hair fall. Lastly, I keep myself well hydrated. Water helps transport the necessary nutrients to your scalp, thereby promoting regular hair growth. So I make sure to drink at least 3 liters of water every day to ensure that my hair looks healthy and shiny at all times. So guys, this was my honest hair fall journey and how I fixed it. Make sure to follow a routine and say bye-bye to your hair fall woes. Before I go, like and share this video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. And last but not the least, don't forget to hit the bell icon and stay updated with all our latest videos. Bye!